Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to report a player in Honor of Kings. To report a player in Honor of Kings, open up the Honor of Kings application first. Now, go ahead and tap on your Friends tab on the right hand side corner. Select a person from the friend list, or you may also go ahead and find the player you want to report. After you find the person you want to report, simply go ahead and open up their profile. Once you open up their profile, go to the top right section of the screen and tap on the More button. In the pop-up, click on Report. Now, select the Reportable Violations option at the top. You can choose the Nickname Violation option or the Avatar Violation option. Choose the category and then select one region for reporting. You'll be given several reasons to report the player. After making a selection, go to the bottom of the screen and provide an explanation of your report, and then finally click on Quick Report at the bottom right corner. Right after you do that, your report will be submitted for review. Now the game developers will investigate the report and take action if necessary. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.